Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin direct messages on Discord. So we finally got that option. We can easily pin our conversations without using any third-party Discords, plugins, and etc. What we want to do here is we want to select where we want to pin it. So for example, I want to pin the yellow avatar. We're going to right click on it. We're going to click pin. And as you guys can see, now it is a pinned conversation. So whenever I say something here, it will still be at the top. Even if I wave to the guy right here, he will only go up here and not up here. So this is a pinned conversation, and that's how you guys can do it. Now if you want to unpin it, of course you right click and click unpin. Now he goes right at the bottom because we texted here and here. But if you want it pinned, you can keep it. You have a pin icon, and that's how it works. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.